How to unban Ome TV account. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily unban Ome TV account. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you simply need to search for Ome TV help. Now once you do this, you will be able to see the first link of FAQ about Ome TV chat. So you just have to click on it and then you will be landed on the frequently asked page of Ome TV. Here you just have to simply scroll down and here you will be able to see the contacts option. So you just have to click on contacts and then you will be landed on the contacts page where you will be able to see the first line that will say that if you want to ask us a question, send a complaint or proposition, that you are welcome to email us at contact@omi.tv. So you just have to click on this email address and then you just have to select the application that you want to use in order to send the email. Afterwards, you just have to write them an email of the problem that you are facing and you are good to go. They are going to review your details, and if they think that you need to be unbanned, they are going to unban your ID. The second step of getting unbanned from Omi TV is by using any VPN. So you can use any VPN services in order to save your ID from getting banned. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.